Welcome to English language class. Do you know what your language level is? If you answer these questions correctly, your level is at level A2. Part 2. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Which of these is a part of the face? Nose. What do you use to dry your hands? Towel. What is the opposite of heavy? Light. Which of these animals can fly? Bird. Which of these is used for cutting? Knife. What is the opposite of thin? Thick. What is the opposite of early? Late. Which of these is a mode of transport? Train. What do you use to look at yourself? Mirror. Which of these is a day of the week? Monday. What is the opposite of inside? Outside. Which of these is a place to eat? Restaurant. What do you use to take a photo? Camera. Which of these is an emotion? Happiness. What is the opposite of soft? Hard. Which of these is a type of building? Hospital. What do you use to keep food cold? Fridge. What is the opposite of near? Far. Which of these is a type of weather? Rainy. Thank you for watching this video. You can see the rest of the tests in the next episodes.